Unboxing and setup of NightSense. Open the box. Pull out the device. Remove the sitting flap. Gently hold and press at the bends on white pipe to unfold it and make the pipe straight. Now, plug out the bulb from the wall or ceiling mounted bulb holder. See, this device has a bulb holder, similar to this holder and base similar to the bulb base. Now, plug in the bulb into bulb holder of the device. Plug in the device along with bulb into the wall or ceiling mounted bulb holder. Notice the black enclosure at the tip of the flexible pipe. Now, bend and adjust the flexible pipe such that the sensor inside the black enclosure is perfectly looking at the target light. The actual sensor which detects light sits inside the black enclosure. You can imagine it as someone sitting inside the black enclosure and continuously watching whether ambient light is available in the place or it's dark. Here, we need to know about two new things. What is load light and what is target light? Load light is the light that comes from the bulb, whereas target light will be the entry point of sunlight or any other light which lightens up the place, except load light. In this place, we chose sunlight to be the target light. See how light detection by the sensor changes according to the change in direction of the black enclosure. So, sensor should be pointed to look at the sunlight entry point in the place. Turn the power switch on and let it remain on. Sensor of the device keeps detecting whether it's day or night based on the target light in the place and operates the load bulb connected to it by turning on the bulb during night and turning off the bulb during daytime.